Hello and welcome back to vlearnias. Today we are going to deal with the news analysis of data October 1st, 2023. So moving to our first article, this is mainly related to the relationship between India and Argentina. This is relevant in GS paper 2 International Relations. So coming to the news, today we are dealing about the social security agreement. So it have been this agreement is took place in between India and Argentina. Mainly, it is to ensure the legal rights of professionals in each other's domain, that is from India as well as from Argentina. Okay, so this is the importance of the social security agreement. So what will happen? That will assist in the risk-free international mobility. So it will also promote the economic development as well as the social developments uh, in the way of the promotion in tourism. So according to Embassy of India, they have mentioned some quote about social security agreement. So in order to achieve all these things, they are just aimed at ensuring rights of the growing number of Indian nationals who are employed in various Indian and international concerns in Argentina. So same thing is also applicable for the Argentine nationals too. So this is mainly concerning the rights of the growing number of both the Argentine and also the Indian nationals, as well as the Argentine nationals who are seeking employment in India too. So it have created a legal framework. So with the help of this legal framework, which can enable the professionals on both sides in order to claim their old age as well as the survivor's pension. And also it provides permanent and total disability pensions for the employed persons too, as well as legislations in Argentina concerning contributing factors, contributory benefits of the social security system. There are certain factors that are considered in this agreement. Okay, that is social security agreement. That is, first one is regarding the subsidy, then the rent and lump sum payments. So what it means, it is indicating the expansion of trade between India and Argentina. So moving to the next article, this is relevant in GS paper 1 art and culture history modern India. So this is relevant, and today we are just dealing about the project Upthav. Okay, this is initiated by the army, that is Indian Army. Why they just initiated this project Upthav? It is only to rediscover the Indian heritage of the statecraft from the ancient text. So the project Upthav, Udbhav, I also told that it is initiative started by Indian Army. So it is to rediscover the profound Indic heritage of statecraft as well as the strategic thoughts. They are derived from ancient texts. Which are they? Ancient texts of statecraft, warcraft, and diplomacy and grand strategy. So, Indian armies making collaboration with the United Services Institute of India, that is USA, in order to achieve or initiate this project Udbhav. So coming soon, the military heritage festival will be taken by the USA. It is to acquaint the future thought leaders with the dynamic of comprehensive national security with special emphasis. They are just for making special emphasis on India's strategic culture. These are the important keywords here. And the second one is the military heritage. Then the third, education, modernization of security forces, as well as the Atmanirbhar Bharat. So the other focuses are, which is mainly based on the broad spectrum aspects. So it mainly include the indigenous military systems and the historical texts and the regional texts and the kingdoms and thematic studies and intricate Kautilya studies. So these are the major focuses. So, the aim of this initiative is mainly for it in order to bridge the historical and contemporary. Okay, and the second one is to the rediscovery of the narratives. As well as, other than these rediscovery narratives, they have developed an indigenous strategic vocabulary, means which is deeply rooted in India's multifactorial philosophical as well as the cultural tapestry. So, the overall aim of this initiative is it is to integrate the age-old wisdom, that is the age-old wisdom with modern military pedagogy. So this is the important keyword in this aspect. So moving to the third article, this is related to the Aditya L1 spacecraft. Actually, today it's news that it escapes from the sphere of Earth's influence. So the sphere of Earth influence means what? It is the gravitational pull. Okay, that particular gravitational forces can influence or impact the satellites. So right now the Aditya L1 spacecraft have escaped the sphere of Earth's influence. So this is relevant in GS paper 3 in science and technology and also the space technology. So Aditya L1 spacecraft have traveled beyond the distance of 9.2 lakh from the Earth successfully by escaping the sphere of Earth's influence. Okay. So now it is navigating its path towards the sun's L1 point. So this is the significance of today's article. And also early this month, Aditya L1 got some data. Okay, that is the spacecraft commenced collecting data which will help scientists analyze the behavior of particles which is surrounding the Earth. By means of or with the help of these particles that are surrounding Earth, can provide about the solar wind and the space weather phenomena, means we will get some knowledge and also as well as the insights into the origin, acceleration as well as the anisotropy of solar wind and the space weather phenomenon. So this is about this article. So the next article is about the Staghorn corals. Okay, so this picture is showing the Staghorn corals. It have this type of feature like branches. Okay, so the genomic markers of disease resistance in Staghorn corals. This is relevant in GS paper 1, GS paper 3, that is from ocean resources in GS paper 1 geography and the environment ecology as well as the science and technology. So here the news is about a genome-wide survey of highly endangered Staghorn corals. Okay, so with the help of this genome-wide survey, it has identified 10 genomic regions which is associated with resilience against the white band disease. Actually, this is a disease, it will affect the coral. Okay, so now they have found 10 genomic regions they are associated with the resilience against the white band disease. So the white band disease, it is actually an emergent infectious disease. They are responsible for killing up to 95% of the Caribbean Acropora species as well as the Staghorn corals. So this figure showing the Caribbean Acropora species. Okay. So with the help of these findings, it laid as a way to the conservation tool. Okay, so in order to improve the disease resistance in the wild and the nursery stocks of Staghorn corals, it is used to repopulate the damaged coral reefs throughout the Caribbean waters. So this is relevant in today's news article. So the last news is about the Loki. So this is a bird. Now it is just remembering us about the Darwin's finch evolutions. Okay. This is also relevant in GS paper 3 in environment and ecology. So Loki have been contribute to the genetic potential of rapid adaptive radiation in the birds. That is the rapid adaptive. This is the key point here. That is rapid adaptive radiations in these birds. That is the Loki. So how it have came, that is the genome sequences. We already know it is nearly 4,000 of Darwin's finches has uncovered these Lokis, its contributions to the rapid adaptive radiations. So new insights into the genetic basis of evolutionary change and suggest that Loki is of large effect. It may play an underappreciated role in the adaptive evolution. So here Loki is related with the adaptive evolution. So it's the end of today's discussion. I hope you all got it, and thank you.